Alright, for today's video, we're going to be replacing the PVC valve on a 2008 Volkswagen Eos with a 2.0 turbo. It is not as much fun as it sounds. The hoses are difficult to get off. This one, and they're rigid, so if you bend them very far, they're going to break. You got a little squeezer on this one. You can just squeeze and kind of wrestle it and it comes off gently. This one, this bottom hose, is clipped all the way around with this crazy contraption. And you basically got to get under it with a screwdriver, get behind it with a screwdriver, and gently unhook each one as you gently pull on it, and it will eventually let go. But it's not very user-friendly. Okay, the hoses are disconnected. I just did that because I knew it was going to take forever. And, of course, I removed this top cover. If you ever need to change the air cleaner on this thing, you've got to pull this whole metal thing off of this top cover. So you got to remove the top cover, disconnect that hose up there for the turbo, this hose over here for the intake, which of course this is all intake, it's all before the turbo, and then pull all these screws just to get the air cleaner out. It's kind of stupid the way this thing is built, honestly. But we're going to get this PCV valve out now. And it is a pricey contraption. $61.88, I think it was. Pretty high. There's several screws that hold it, which I'm going to do my best not to lose. And this isn't even long enough. All right. I'm going to have to get a longer driver extension. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, got a longer extension. I'll try that. That in there? Yeah. All right, let's see if that'll reach it. Yep. I don't like that. Here's a recipe for disaster. Screw screwed into plastic. See, in big coarse threads, that means that's screwed into plastic. So how many times do you get to change that before you're changing the intake? Are you kidding me? I think I got another problem already. Let me see if I can get this hose out of the way. That's not looking promising, let me tell you. Yeah, that doesn't get out of the way. Got a screw in here, it's in a place. I'm not getting that driver. How could it be? And you got to be so careful because these are those hard plastic hoses that break. Let's try that. All right, that got the driver to it. If I don't drop the screw, that's clearly a problem too. There, I got it. Okay, there should be another one, I think. Nope, that was it. So here is the deceased PCV valve. Here is the new PCV valve. The gasket remained in place. It looks like O-rings. So I guess we're not going to have much of a fight with that. Go ahead and finagle the new piece into position. And then I need some screws, because the trick now is keeping it in position. And that's not going to be fun. Getting them screw holes to line up probably be fun. Well, that's one. Huh. This one, however, is not where it belongs. Okay, what's the issue there? This hose is probably the issue. I'm just going to snap it back on where it goes and see if that makes this. Yeah, that one didn't even get threaded in. Nice, we're winning. All right, there. That or nothing. should be good. Change gears on that. Funny that that seems tight. We're going to stop. Let's try the next one. I suspect what's happened is these coarse threads missed. Those didn't. Okay. This one looks like it would go there. Yeah. This is the hard one. And now that that hose is back in place, I didn't think of that till just now. That one is impossible. Let me go get a long manual screwdriver. Well, this isn't the best manual screwdriver I got, but it is the longest one. That bit sits down in there pretty far. I'm going to start with this one. See if we can figure out why it's tightening up fine. I'm going to let it alone. This one goes in okay. Let's get that bottom one. It's going to be a challenge. Let's look at the old one. See where that screw goes, right next to the pipe. Just don't lose it down in there. There we go. It's going in. Okay, that one's snug. Get the tool out. Now, according to this part, there's 3 across the top and only this one on the bottom. That doesn't exactly sound like a genius design. I would have put another one in the bottom no matter what a pain in the butt it was. Okay, that one's tight. Tight. And it's plastic, so you don't want to twist very hard. All right, last thing is to hook this hose up. That one is definitely connected. All the screws that I have are tight. I'm just double checking because I don't want no vacuum leaks there. Okay, let me get rid of some tools and parts. Don't need any of this stuff. I'm going to set it on the freezer like you do. Okay. Now, we got to put this cover back on. You missed me taking it off, mostly because my camera malfunctioned, so I kind of had to improvise. But we're going to put this cover back on. So there's several things going on at once. It's got little rubber inserts and little stems on top of this thing that the rubber inserts go into, holds it in place. You also got this pipe, which is flexible back here. It moves out of your way. So the first thing you should probably do is get this piece in position where it belongs. Get this down here where it belongs and try and get it locked into that rubber arrangement here with the little pegs. That seems pretty close. And it clicked right in, so that's got to be right. Now, this rubber piece here, this hose, snaps on with these little clampies. Although that one's there. Got a cord. That is probably the, I don't know, mass air intake maybe, or air temperature, hard to say. This mass air intake's going to be by the intake manifold, so that's probably air temperature. This thing's not going to be easy here. I can already tell. Okay, let me see if I can get you. Well, you can kind of see what I'm doing. I am trying to connect that thing. It came out easy. Going back in is another thing. These go there, good. And it rocks forward. And then there's this little thing. Now, why? What is the point of this? I don't know. But it snaps in here and here. And it doesn't appear to make what I would call the very best seal. By any stretch of the imagination. Well, that's not clipped there. Okay. This side. There. Okay, so it's clipped on there, but it looks like it ain't. There it went. Okay, she's all back together with her new PCV valve. It's that simple. All right. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.